Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I am going to show how to make a chutney powder with few ingredients. This one chutney powder can be used with your dosa, chapati, roti, vegetable curry, salad, noodles and simple rice. Preparing this chutney will hardly take 15 minutes, but this chutney will save lot of time and energy in your kitchen. So without wasting much time, let's see how to make this chutney. First of all, switching on the gas and keeping heavy bottomed fry pan, I'm using 1 full cup of groundnuts. First step is to dry roast these peanuts on a high flame for around 5 minutes. Once you start seeing the peanuts are turning brown and the skin started coming out, you can stop roasting. Next thing is to remove the skin. To make that easy, I am transferring all this on a tissue paper. Use the chapati roller, gently roll on peanuts. After rolling it for 5 to 7 times, you can start seeing the peanut skins are detaching. It's now easy to remove the peanut skin just by blowing some air. Remove the peanut skin as much as you can. Take 1 cup of sesame seeds, dry roast it for 1 to 2 minutes until it starts spluttering. Transfer it to a plate once done. Let's start making arrangements for seasoning. I'm taking 5 spoons of vegetable oil and 1 spoon of cumin seeds. Fry it for few seconds. Take around 10 curry leaves, fry it. Add 8 to 10 garlic pods, fry it until it starts turning golden brown. Now add 2 spoons of red chili powder. Red chili powder I am using here is very hot, so adjust according to your taste. Now add the dry roasted peanuts and sesame seeds, fry it for few minutes. Let's add some salt for taste. I am using 1 spoon of salt here. Add according to your taste. Let it cool completely. Transfer the chutney ingredients to mixie bowl. Make dry powder without adding any water or oil. You can make the same chutney without roasting any of these ingredients. It will give the same taste. I am using the roasting method before making this chutney because I can keep it longer without spoiling it, and also I can keep it outside the fridge. Now the chutney powder is ready. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it outside for some time. Store it in an airtight container. It will last for a month. I'll now show you how you can make use of this chutney powder on your daily meals. Here I am showing chapati roll. Take 1 chapati and spread ghee on top of it. Add 2 spoons of this chutney powder. Spread it evenly, and now you are ready to roll and keep it inside your lunch box. This is very easy. You can do the same thing with dosa or paratha. This is very helpful during the travel. The other idea is to mix it with yogurt. This will give the taste of fresh chutney. This will save lot of time making the fresh chutney or any other side dish for your dosa or chapati. Next idea is to make your salad interesting. Chop any vegetables or grate any vegetables. Add some 2 to 3 spoons of this chutney powder and it will be a great snack, I will tell you. Similarly, this chutney powder is being very helpful in our daily menu. When I am lazy, I will mix it with hot rice and ghee. It will make a very good combination as well. Also, I will add as a instant masala mixture in instant stir fries as well as in the gravy curries. I hope this chutney powder and the ideas will give you some stress-free time in kitchen. Thank you friends for watching my videos. If you would like to see similar food, travel and lifestyle related contents, please hit the subscribe button and stay connected.